Gardening tools. Kids learning video. Hello kids. Let's start growing your garden. Today, we're going to learn the names of some garden tools. Spade. A spade is used for digging and turning soil in the garden. Shovel. A shovel is used to dig, lift, and move materials like dirt, sand, or snow. Hoe. A hoe is used to dig, loosen soil, and remove weeds in the garden. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is used to carry and move things like dirt, plants, or tools easily. Watering can. A watering can is used to pour water on plants to help them grow. Garden fork. A garden fork is used to dig, loosen soil, and turn over dirt in the garden. Gloves and boots. Gloves protect your hands, and boots protect your feet while working in the garden. Hose. A hose is used to spray water for watering plants or cleaning outdoor areas. Trowel. A trowel is used for digging small holes and planting in the garden. Rake. A rake is used to collect leaves, sticks, and trash into piles. Weeder. A weeder helps pull out unwanted weeds from the garden. Pruners. Pruners are used to cut and trim small branches or plants. Hedge shears. Hedge shears are used to trim and chip bushes and hedges in the garden. Loppers. Loppers are used to cut big branches and twigs in the garden. Garden sprayer. A garden sprayer is used to spray water or plant food on plants to help them grow. Compost bin. A compost bin is where food scraps and leaves are turned into soil to help plants grow. Plant pot. A plant pot is a container that keeps plants safe and helps them grow. Lawn mower. A lawn mower is a machine that cuts grass to keep the yard neat and short.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.